So I'm just gonna talk about my solution here for the problem. So here on V, I'm separating them by if the range of both of them, both of the two elements are equal to 1, then I pass the tuple, and if it's not, I pass the element. And then I store this on this list here. And the issue here is that I'm not capturing the last element. So I was failing some tests because of that. But then I loop through this list here that I created with the tuples. And if it is a tuple, if the type of the element is a tuple, I append to this other list here. If it's not a tuple, then I check the length of this list that contains the tuple. If the length is 1, I add the 2 elements of the tuple. If the length is bigger than 2, I grab the first element and the last element of the tuples in this list, because that's the range, and I add to the results. And in both cases, I make the list equal to empty, so it resets the list here. And then if it's not, I just add the elements to the string. And yeah. Then after I do all that, if the tuple has elements after it ended the loop, then I make sure I add them here, and I do the same checks I did here. And then I wasn't capturing the last element in some cases, so it wasn't passing. So what I had to do was add the args-1 here, which is that last element of this list here. And apparently it works. And the last thing is I remove the comma from the string. And I'm not sure if that's the best solution. Because of this here, it seems like it is a weak way to do it. There are probably better ways, which I'm gonna see right now after I submit this, but yeah, this is the only one I found, so it passes everything. So yeah, so till next time.